How should a leader behave with his employees? What are those strategies which make a leader remain established on his position for a long term? Not only this, but how can a leader be exemplary for all? How can a leader make people work with him with loyalty and with commitment? All these questions will be answered here today in this video. Assalamu alaikum friends, I am Rukhsana Izhar. If you want me to share with you all such informative videos in future, please do like and subscribe my channel. Today I am going to discuss with you Niccolo Machiavelli's best book on leadership, The Prince. Please remain connected. The book Prince by Machiavelli is considered as Bible in political philosophy. So all the heads of the departments, managers, directors, don't miss this marvelous book, please, because this book is only written for you. If you like my videos, please do subscribe my channel for more informative videos in coming days. Niccolo Machiavelli. Niccolo Machiavelli was an Italian political philosopher, and he had got fame all around the world. This book was written for one of the great leader of Florence by Niccolo Machiavelli. This book was presented to Lorenzo de Medici. So this book, The Prince, was published 5 years after the death of Machiavelli. इस किताब में मैकियावेली ने 24 एडवाइसेस, टिप्स और ट्रिक्स बताई हैं जिन पे अमल करके एक लीडर ज़्यादा अरसे तक कामयाब रह सकता है अपनी पोजीशन पे। इनमें से 5 ऐसी ट्रिक्स हैं और टिप्स हैं जो मैंने पर्सनली आपके लिए सेलेक्ट की हैं। आई वुड लाइक टू शेयर विद यू टुडे। नंबर 1 इज़, शुड अ किंग और अ लीडर बी फियर्ड और लव्ड? ये एक बड़ा बर्निंग क्वेश्चन है कि क्या एक लीडर से उसके अंदर काम करने वाले सबऑर्डिनेट्स या एम्प्लॉइज़ डरें या उसे प्यार करें या उससे मोहब्बत करें? व्हाट डू यू थिंक? Let's see what Machiavelli says here. This isn't possible that a leader be loved and feared at the same time. ये दोनों चीज़ें एक साथ नहीं हो सकती. Human relationship on the basis of love is weak, so it can be broken at the next moment. If you are in power, remember, your subordinates will love you. The moment you are away from your positions, your employees will be reluctant to recognize you. So the relationship of fear is built by punishment. So this was tip number 1. Until they will be feared, they will be committed to you. So point number 2 here, how to deal with the flatterers. फ्लैटरर्स, आपको पता है कि जो खुशामदी करने वाले, खुशामद करने वाले लोग होते हैं वो हर जगह होते हैं. If a prince or a leader or a king will be asked by everybody to not flatter, to how can a truth then come out? इसकी एग्ज़ाम्पल ये है कि अगर एक लीडर अपने तमाम रियाया को अलाउ करे कि वो सब आके उसके साथ सच बात करें, अगर उनको रिस्ट्रिक्ट करे कि एक बादशाह या एक लीडर के सामने फ्लैटरी ना की जाए, तो ये पॉसिबल नहीं होगा. और अगर हर एक बंदा सच बोलने लगेगा ऑन द फेस ऑफ द लीडर, सो द लीडर और द हेड ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट माइट फील एम्बेरस्ड टू लिसन द ट्रुथ फ्रॉम एवरीबडी. तो इसका सोल्यूशन ये है कि अ लीडर शुड सेलेक्ट 2 or 3, मैक्सिमम 2 or 3 पीपल, leaving the rest behind, and these 2 to 3 people should have a liberty to tell truth before you. So this is the answer of point number 2. When a leader listens the truth from 2 to 3 people, then he should trust those persons' advice, but not only trust them blindly, but he should consider that point from his own point of view and make decision. Now coming to point number 3, Prince should be very well versed in the art of warfare. कि लड़ाई के मैदान में, जंग के मैदान में, अगर उसको आज की एनालॉजी में, मॉडर्न दौर की एनालॉजी में लिया जाए, तो इसका मतलब ये होगा कि एक लीडर अपनी प्रोफेशन में प्रोफिशेंट होना चाहिए, वेल वर्स्ड होना चाहिए, वेल अवेयर होना चाहिए, क्योंकि उसके साथ बहुत सारे कॉम्पिटिटर्स होते हैं और वो कहीं कॉम्पिटिशन में लेफ्ट बिहाइंड ना हो. So he should have a best knowledge in his domain. So this is now we moving to point number 4. How can a prince select a second in command or a secretary? ये एक बहुत ही important point है friends कि अगर बादशाह के इर्द गिर्द के लोग बेवकूफ़ होंगे तो अक्लमंद बादशाह भी बेवकूफ़ तस्वुर किया जाएगा. Yes, secretary should be selected who has the objective view, not the personal view. It means to say, I will summarize it like this, that a secretary or the second in command should have his interest on the secondary basis, but his prior or his primary interest should be to work in the best interest of his leader. तो ये point number 4 की जो है वो solution यही है कि एक secretary को फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी अपने लीडर की बात मानने को और अपने लीडर की वेलफेयर को देनी चाहिए रादर देन हिज ओन इंटरेस्ट. 5वां और बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, हाउ कैन अ लीडर बी हाउ कैन अ प्रिंस बी रिनोन्ड? कैसे एक प्रिंस जो है वो फेमस हो सकता है, रिनोन्ड हो सकता है, एंड ही नीड्स टू बी ऑन द एक्सट्रीम. He can be renowned, either he can be on the downside. So either he should be polite or either he should be tough. When a prince wins, अगर एक बादशाह win करता है, जीतता है, he will be under the obligation, the secretary will be under the obligation and he will support him, right? And he will share that benefit with you. So the thing is that ये मैं आपको इस तरह समझाती हूँ कि for example, you are on the a leader has to make quick decision but right decision. For example, you are in a leadership position, you have to decide either you have to give equal power or some power to your secretary. So you have to, what you should do, should you give more power to your secretary or not? Should you be polite with your subordinates, or you should be on the extreme level, you should be strict with him? So you should not be in between, you should be strict person. The advice is here is that you should be strict person. For example, if you lose, the person who are working with you, they will be in a position to sympathize with you, they will be working with you for a long term even if you are dejected. Or if for example you get a success, so you will share the fruit of that success with your subordinates. So this was the point number 5. Hope you like my video friends. Please, if you like it, do share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.